Nightingale, the urban folktale. One day a nobleman caught in the nightingale and wants to put in a cake. But the bird spoke to him, "Let me go, and I will give you a good advice. It might be of use to you someday." The rich man agreed to let it go. The nightingale gave him this advice: "Never be sorry for something that can to broke back, my lord, and never trust idle word." The nobleman heard the advice and let the nightingale go. The bird flew out and said, "Too bad you let me go. If you know now about my treasure, I have a huge, very expensive gem under my wings. If you had taken it, you would become even richer." When he heard that, the nobleman began to regret letting bird about the bird go. Jumped up, tried to catch it. The nightingale turned toward him and sighed, "Now I know, master, then you are a greedy and foolish man. You were sorry for something that can't be brought back, and you believe my idle word. Look at what a little bird I am. How could be I am hiding a large gum under my wings?" And after this word, the bird flew away. And from this folktale about, we can conclude that the story tells a nobleman would caught the nightingale and want to put in a cake. But the bird told him to giving her freedom to flying free. In return, she should be give a piece of advice. The word be helpful to her. Then the nobleman released him, and the bird gave him a piece of advice. The point of it is not trust anyone else, not necessarily we have give you God from instead give you a richer. And a little we review from this folktale above. From this story, this folktale is classified as a story that contains an implied moral message. From the conversation in the folktale is very interesting because it can inspire about reader, and the story included to the European folktales. Thank you. Just this for me. See you next time.